Let's take a look at our employees' shopping list for tonight.
Hi Taku.
Hi.
What are you stealing tonight?
I'm stealing Sapphire because it's going like flat 75% off and I need everything.
I am going to steal Sapphire because basically I'm building a collection over here. So my aim is कि यहाँ तक होनी चाहिए इतने shoes खरीद लूँ मैं. So I'm planning to steal Sapphire bed sheets because they'll be available on flat 75%
Flat
off.
75.
Exactly. It's actually a steal.
I'm stealing Izhar shop because it's flat 50 and I want cute mugs for my
The Ordinary, my favorite skincare brand. It's on flat 50%.
Wow.
Miss it.
Sheen phone covers
Sheen phone covers.
for my iPhone.
What are you stealing tonight?
Sapphire.
Why?
It's flat 75% off.
What are you stealing tonight?
Sapphire के कुर्ते
Why?
पैसा ही पैसा.
Why are you stealing tonight?
Because I'm getting married.
What are you stealing tonight?
यार I will be stealing The Ordinary. I will be stealing my wife's heart.
I'll be stealing Maybelline
Why?
because it's on 50% off.
What's up?
What are you stealing tonight?
I'm going to buy Sapphire at flat 75% off
Why?
because hero तो Sapphire ही लेगा ना.
Oh,
My favorite bike bags at up to 75% off.
good job.